Good day everyone. I am Monica Asas and I am the reporter for today. My topic is career and personal development. Career, career development focus on an individual's professional journey, while personal development focus on improving an organizational workforce skill and knowledge. Effective personal development use method like on the job training, formal education, and mentoring to enhance skill, knowledge, and leadership. Benefits include improvement, performance, increased employee engagement, and the competitive advantage. Challenges include resource allocation, measuring ROI, and aligning individuals and organizational goals. The provided list of the topic falls under the umbrella of career and personal development, which focus on strategies to enhance employee skill, knowledge, and overall performance. Training and development or training needs. Training needs assessment. This is the first step identifying the specific skills, knowledge, and abilities KSAs employees need to perform effectively. This involved analyzing organizational goals, job requirements, and individual performance. Example of training needs assessment. A company noticed declining customer satisfaction score. A needs assessment reveals a lack of effective communication skill among customer service representatives. This lead to a training program focused on active listening, complex resolution, and empathy. Training program, these are designed to address identifying needs, covering areas like onboarding skill, development, leadership, compliance, and soft skills. Method include classrooms training, e-learning, on-the-job training, mentoring, and VR or ER simulations. Example of training program. A software company implement an e-learning module to teach employees the new features of their flagship software. This ensured all employees are updated and can provide effective support to clients. Evaluation. Measuring the effectiveness of training programs is crucial to ensure they meet objectives and provide a return on investment. Method include pre or post training assessments, performance evaluations, employee feedback, and ROI analysis. Example of training evaluation. After a leadership training program, participants are given a post-training assessment and their performance is monitored over the next 6 months. The results show improved team management skills and increased employee engagement. Assessment. Performance assessment regularly evaluating employee performance, providing feedback, and setting goals for future improvement. This helps identifying areas for training and development. Example of performance assessment and annual performance review include a 360-degree feedback process where employees receive feedback from their manager, peers, and subordinates. This provides a holistic view of their performance and areas for improvement. Skill assessment, evaluating employee skills and knowledge to determine their strengths and areas for improvement. This can be done through tests, simulations, or work samples. Example of skill assessment. A manufacturing company use of skill tests to assess the technical abilities of potential candidates before hiring them. This ensures they have a necessary skill to perform the job effectively. Scholarship or study loan. Tuition assistance providing financial support for employees to pursue further education or professional development. Example of tuition assistance. A company offer the reimburse up to $5,000 per year for employees pursuing relevant degrees or certification. Study leave, offering paid or unpaid time off for employees for focus on their studies. Example of study leave. An employee is granted a month of paid leave to complete a crucial research project for their PhD. Mentorship program. Connecting employees with mentors who can provide guidance and support during their studies. Example of mentorship. A senior engineer mentors a junior engineer who is pursuing a master's degree in engineering, providing guidance and support. That would be all for my report. Thank you.